Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. And today I'm showing you how we celebrated our Halloween during Corona times. We barely went outside to get anything, and most of the things we tried and reused whatever we had on hand. So let me show you through. papers, and we cut out a circle and made cones, and we stick it with the glue and some painter's tape, and this made a cute little witch hat. We used these hula hoop, or you can also use embroidery hoops for the as a rings to throw and play the games. This was another game that became very popular among the kids. This was Feed the Monster with the Pumpkins, and this we made out of garbage bags and an old carton box. And this was this caterpillar run from the straws, and I'll just show you how we made the Feed the Monster game. So for this we needed a cardboard box, and we marked a circle for the mouth, and I have cut the cardboard box from one side on a slant so that it stays like a slanted position from both the sides, and I've cut out the mouth. So once that's done, you would need almost 2 garbage bags of medium size, or one large garbage bag. And then with help of painter's tape, we'll stick all the ends. I'll show you in the video ahead. And for the teeth, we used some zigzag cut papers and we stuck it from behind. And this was a very interesting game for the kids, and they had an amazing time playing this game over and over again. This again we made out of soda cans, and this was kind of a bowling game that we tried to create for the kids, and we made these ghost faces. It was super easy to do. We took some soda cans and we removed the clip that helps you to open the can. We removed that totally, and we painted the can in white color. I used simple acrylic paints for these soda cans, and with the help of a flat brush I just dabbed some black paint on it, just as I'm showing you. Just took some black paint and make sure that the bottom is at the top of the can is at the bottom, it's facing down. And this is how you created the face. It was super easy to do. It didn't take me more than 10 minutes to create this entire game, and it was again a super easy and very fun game to create. So these silver pumpkins that you see here, these are thrifted from the local flea market here, and they were in glass, and then I spray painted them with Rust-Oleum gold and silver paint, and I added these stalks made out of paper and painter's tape, and then we added these leaves. If you're enjoying this video, then consider subscribing to our channel, because we have planned a lot more videos for you for this upcoming Diwali season. So I hope you will consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest video. For the table cover, I have used a black bed sheet, and for this table runner, I have cut a burlap fabric and I have placed it in the middle. These jack-o'-lanterns were super easy to make, and my daughter made all the jack-o'-lanterns and the bat cutouts out of cardboard and some black paper. She painted them orange and created these scary faces. These ants we created out of air-dry clay, and we stuck them in toothpicks and we painted them black, and thereafter we stuck some pipe cleaners for the legs, and this came out really nice. Could have been better, but yeah, we were pretty happy with it. So these are all my daughter's creation. Just for the sake of the video, I am showing you how we did it. But yeah, this was totally my daughter's creation. We created this wand for my daughter using a sketch pen, and then some paper. We rolled it at the end to make it thick. And yes, this is how it was done, and then we added some painter's tape and we painted it into black. Similarly, we did the same for the tiara as well, as she wanted to become the evil queen, and she only created this beautiful tiara out of paper, some wires and some clip. So this is her look as evil queen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I wish you a very happy Halloween.